I love having all my family around and have fun with the grandkids, and they all like being involved with the cattle and the horses on the ranch. I'm Paula Mays, and we're here at the Flying M Livestock Ranch in Ellensburg, Washington. We bought our ranch in 1978 and started raising cattle and children. We have 3 sons. I was raised on a ranch, and Don was a livestock buyer, and we both wanted to be involved in the cattle industry.
My name is Miles Mays. I'm the youngest of 3 brothers. I was born and raised here on this ranch. What makes us unique is we participate in a lot of different sectors in the market. We run custom cattle, we bring cattle over from Hawaii, we run ownership cattle, we participate in a grass-finished market.
As a family, we attend as many seminars, read as many periodicals as we can about cattle handling and the best ways to produce healthy beef. Our concerns are the same as anyone else. We care that the cattle are treated well and we have healthy beef at the end of the day.
My name is Alex Francis, originally from Hawaii. I work as a cowboy for Flying M Livestock. We practice low-stress handling of cattle, whether that be on horseback, 4-wheelers, or even on foot. We're always trying to create a positive experience that keeps them comfortable and happy. I absolutely love my job. I love being around livestock.
Personally, I'm an outdoor person. I love being outdoors, and I love working with the mother cows and their babies.
Well, I used to be an engineer. I have a professional engineering license, and I sat in a cubicle for 10 hours a day, and now I get to get up in the morning and work with cattle every day, and I get to bring my family out here to the ranch, and we ride horses and 4-wheelers, and it's about the best lifestyle a guy could live.
My hopes for the future is that our children and grandchildren will want to continue the ranching that we've started.